Are you struggling with WordPress? I don't know, maybe your sites are breaking, nothing feels stable, and you're just not 100% confident in what you're doing. Or maybe you're struggling to get clients, no steady income and no clear systems. You feel underpaid, overworked, and freedom, well, that probably feels miles away. Now, if that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Look, I've been there. Now, imagine this instead. Projects running smoothly, recurring income landing in your account every single month, and more than enough to cover your bills and give you that freedom again. A system that actually works. Freedom to choose when, how, and who you work with. And the confidence that your WordPress skills are strong enough to back it all up. That's the exact life that WP Odyssey was built to create. Okay, so why even listen to me? Now, I've been in WordPress for over 15 years and I started off exactly where you are. Struggling, overwhelmed, completely stuck, and worst of all, not having anybody to ask questions to make sure that you're doing things right. But I managed to turn it around. Today, I run a WordPress agency that brings in over 6 figures in recurring income every single year, and that's before I've even brought on any new clients. And now I've helped tons of people go from frustrated freelancers to confident business owners with real freedom. So what makes WP Odyssey different? Look, it's not just a course. It's a step-by-step journey, and inside the community we call them quests. Each quest unlocks the next, so you always know what to do and when to do it. And you're never alone because you'll always have me and the rest of the community walking with you every step of the way. Now, inside the community, we've got members landing their first clients. They're securing recurring income with monthly care plans. They're finally charging what they're worth, and they're building real businesses instead of scraping by. So here's exactly what you get if you join WP Odyssey today. You'll get step-by-step quests so you always know what to do next, whatever your level. So there'll be no more guessing. You get weekly live calls plus the replays where your questions actually get answered. And inside the community, I even give personalized Loom responses to your questions. You'll get templates, scripts, and SOPs that will save you hours and help you land clients fast. We'll give you hosting, we'll give you access to the WP Odyssey Hub, and a full Go high-level account. Now, that means WordPress management software, a full library of premium plugins, and all the business tools that we use to run our own agency. So you'll look more professional and land more clients. We'll give you the proven systems for SEO, speed, security, and care plans, and these are the foundations to stable, recurring income. And the best bit, you get a supportive community that keeps you motivated, accountable, and celebrating every single win. Now look, I'll be straight with you. I can't keep WP Odyssey at this price forever. So as the community grows, the price rises. And what I'll be doing is for every 100 members that join, I'll increase the price by $20. And right now, you've got the chance to lock in your spot at the current price before the next increase. Now, whatever you join at, that's the price you will pay for as long as you're in the community, even when we put the prices up. So if you're done with the overwhelm, the undercharging, and the constant hustle, click the link below and join WP Odyssey today. Like I said, this isn't just another course. It's the system, the tools, and the community that you need to master WordPress, land clients, and build true freedom. Click the link and I'll see you on the inside.